Fidelity Crypto Investment Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Fidelity's crypto platform are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Fidelity's crypto investment platform, a reputable platform that allows investors to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with the backing of Fidelity's long-standing financial services expertise. If you're already familiar with Fidelity's traditional investment options, their entry into crypto offers a seamless transition for both seasoned investors and newcomers. One of the standout features of Fidelity Crypto is its trustworthy reputation. With decades of experience in traditional finance, Fidelity has established a strong foundation for managing digital assets securely. The platform allows users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's designed to integrate seamlessly with Fidelity's broader investment services. If you're already using Fidelity for other types of investments, adding crypto to your portfolio is incredibly easy. Fidelity stands out with its low fees compared to many other crypto platforms. They offer zero-fee trading for certain transactions, making it an attractive option for frequent traders or those just getting started in crypto. Additionally, the platform offers advanced security measures, including cold storage for assets, which helps ensure your investments are protected from hacks. Another major advantage is the user-friendly interface, which is ideal for both beginner and experienced traders. You can easily place orders and track your investments without a steep learning curve. The platform also offers educational resources for those looking to learn more about cryptocurrency investment strategies. However, it's important to note that Fidelity's crypto offerings are currently limited to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you're looking for a broader range of altcoins, this platform may not be ideal. In conclusion, Fidelity Crypto is a solid platform for anyone looking to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum with a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use interface. With competitive fees and the backing of a trusted financial institution, it's a great choice for those already familiar with Fidelity or looking to enter the world of cryptocurrency. Check the description for links to start using Fidelity's crypto platform today.